Hello treasures, let's make a quick breakfast with this shawarma bread and the egg. We're going to make egg and shawarma wrap within 10 minutes for a sumptuous breakfast. You can also use it as dinner. Let's get started. I'll start by cracking in 2 eggs into my mixing bowl. Add it a little bit of salt and the mix. After which I'll go in with some spring onions, sliced onions and shredded carrots. I'll also add some scotch bonnet pepper and a little bit of chicken seasoning powder. I'll then mix everything together. After mixing this, I'll set it aside. Then place my frying pan on the stove, allow it to dry, add some vegetable oil, about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or 1.5 tablespoon, depending on the quantity of egg you're frying anyway. I'll then pour in the egg mixture, spread it, allow it to cook on one side before flipping it to the next side, and this can take about 3 to 4 minutes. After flipping it, I'll allow it to set for about 30 seconds to 1 minute again before placing a piece of my shawarma bread on it, and then we flip it again. At this point or stage, you can place it any protein or vegetable of your choice. For me, I'm leaving it with only one grilled hot dog, and then we'll wrap it. And be very careful with this, it is hot, so I had to put off my gas before wrapping it to avoid burns. Eee. I have two shawarma bread, so I'm going to make a second wrap too in the same way, the same process. Add some oil, pour in your mixed egg and vegetable. When it sets, then you flip over and add your shawarma. For this one, I'm adding 2 hot dogs. The person eating it wants 2 hot dogs in it, and also I'll be rubbing some mayonnaise on top of it. Like I said before, feel free to use anything you want for this your wrap. You can also use cheese. You can decide to use chicken instead of the hot dog. You can decide to use both chicken and hot dog. Just do you. After rubbing the mayonnaise on it, I'll then go ahead and wrap it. And please, my gas is off at this time. And here we have our shawarma egg wrap, looking so inviting and mouth-watering. Let's cut it open and see how the inside is. Whew, yummy, 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 yummy. Can you see that? Can you see how yummy, how delicious it's looking? And this is the one with two hot dogs and mayonnaise in it. It's also looking yummy and creamy. And here is me testing it for you, and I can attest you that this tasted so delicious. This is very delicious. Try this and you will thank me. Make it for your family and they will dash you money. You don't have to wait for you to get all the ingredients for shawarma before you can make shawarma. Try this simple recipe. It is very delicious, more delicious than even the shawarma itself. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.